I'm home. Finally. I am so tired today. Oh, Dad's new phone? Why is it here? He never forgets his phone. Why is it here? Maybe today he used his old phone. Yesterday he said, I will use the old one for work. This one still looks so new. The screen is so shiny. I should not touch it.
It is not mine.
I will only hold it for a second. I will be careful. Wow, it feels expensive. The camera must be amazing. He said it has a better camera. Just one photo, he won't mind. The camera must be amazing. Wow, the picture is so clear. Let me take one more. No, please, no. It's really broken. What did I just do? What should I do now? Should I hide it? No, that is wrong. But I am scared. Dad will be very upset. It is a new phone. It must be expensive. I did not break it on purpose. It was an accident. I can put it back on the table. Maybe Dad will think it happened at the office. No, that is lying. If I stay silent, that is also lying. I don't want to lie. But I don't want Dad to be angry. Why is telling the truth so difficult?
Lina, I'm home.
Lina, why are you so quiet?
Dad, can we talk?
Of course.
I need to tell you something important.
I'm listening.
I saw your new phone on the table.
Yes, I forgot it today.
I thought you took your old phone.
That's right.
I picked up the new one.
Okay.
I didn't ask for permission. That was wrong. It slipped from my hand. I dropped it. The screen is broken. I am very sorry. I did not do it on purpose. It was an accident. The screen is broken. I was afraid to tell you, but I don't want to lie. I understand if you are angry.
Yes, the screen is broken. Lina, look at me. I am not angry with you.
You're not?
No. I am sad about the phone. But I am proud of you.
Proud?
Yes. You told me the truth. That is more important than any phone.
I was so scared.
Come here.
I was so scared.
Mistakes happen. You are human. You did not break it on purpose. You are not careless. You just made a mistake.
I feel so guilty.
Guilt means you care. That is a good sign.
I thought you would shout at me.
Shouting does not repair a broken screen. Love repairs fear. We can replace the screen. We can buy a new one. But I cannot replace trust. Today, you protected our trust.
I almost hit it.
But you didn't. That shows your character.
I don't want you to lose trust in me.
I trust you even more now. Because honesty builds trust. You are more valuable than any object. Phones are things. You are my daughter.
I love you, Dad.
I love you too.
Today was a big day. I was very scared in the evening. But now, I feel very peaceful. I am very lucky. I have a good father. My dad never hits me. My dad never shouts at me without reason. He never scares me. He listens to me. He understands me. Many children are afraid of their fathers, but I am not afraid of mine. I feel safe with him. I can tell him the truth, even when I make mistakes. Today I broke his phone. He did not scold me. He did not hurt me. He hugged me. He said I am more important than the phone. He said he is proud of me. No one has ever said that to me like that. My dad is my hero, not because he is strong, but because he is kind, not because he buys things, but because he gives love. I don't want to disappoint him. I want to make him proud. I want to be honest. I want to be brave. Thank you, Dad. You make me feel safe. You make me feel important. You make me feel loved. I am very happy tonight.